new to Poshmark and you feel a little unsure of how it all works, maybe you're wondering what actually happens after you list an item. How do you get paid? And is it even worth it? This is for you. I read all your comments from my last Poshmark video about how to not be scammed, and I noticed a lot of you didn't know what happens when an item is sold. To be honest, neither do I, which is why I got scammed in the first place. So let's find out together. Today, I am showing you exactly what a legit sale looks like, step by step, including what emails to expect and what screens you will see so you can avoid getting scammed. By the end of this video, you should feel more confident using Poshmark. In case you don't know who I am, my name is Shanice Banis and I'm an organizing expert and content creator for my blog, City of Creative Dreams, and founder of Inspired by Organizing, which is a custom e-design organizing service. As mentioned before, as a new seller on Poshmark, I have been scammed. And to prevent others from falling into that trap, I provided a blog post and a YouTube video. You can see my full story here, and I even put in timestamps so you can skip to the parts you wish to watch. Also, I have a free checklist to help you as well, and I will link it in the description below this video. To get started with selling on Poshmark, you need a few basic things: a Poshmark account, some quality items to sell, a good camera or your phone for taking pictures, and a basic understanding of shipping costs and procedures. So let's get started. Step 1, list your items. First things first, you need to create a listing. This part is actually pretty easy. I'm going to use something simple like a keychain for this video. You want to snap a few clear photos. Natural lighting is your best friend here, and a neutral background will help your item stay as the focus. 2, write a great description. So Poshmark provides you with a prompt to help you get started. So make sure to include the brand, the size, and any details buyers should know. Set your price. Poshmark will suggest a price range, but you have full control. For this video, I'm going to put this item as $5. Once your item is listed, don't just leave it there. Share it. Poshmark rewards active sellers, so share your items daily to keep them at the top of the search results. Step 2, what the customer sees. Now that your item is live, I'm going to switch to what the customer will see on their end. I think it's a cool way to get both perspectives and to get a view of what happens when they ultimately check out the item that you have listed. So buyers will see your photos, the details you added like the size and the description, the option to like, comment, or make an offer, and then a big button that says buy now. Once they hit the buy now button, they will go straight to the payment. The buyers pay Poshmark, not you directly, and that money is held safely until the item is delivered. Scam prevention tip. If anyone tries to message you and ask you to pay outside the app or the website, offers to send money any other way, or even asks you to email your product photos to their email, don't do it. This checkout screen is the only legit way to make a sale on Poshmark. After that, they will receive an email with the subject, your Poshmark order confirmation. Then a confirmation email that your item has been shipped with a tracking button. Step 3, your item sells. Now what? Yay! Someone bought your item, and now you're going to receive an email like this. The sales section of the site will be like this. Next, Step 4, shipping and tracking. Don't celebrate just yet. You've got to get that package out the door. Poshmark makes it so easy. They email you a prepaid shipping label, and all you have to do is print it out, pack your item, and drop it at your post office. When I bought from Poshmark, I always appreciated the personal touches I received in a package. Think about adding something like a thank you note or stickers or tissue paper. It helps your buyer feel appreciated and often leads to great reviews. So once the item is shipped, Poshmark updates the tracking information for you and the buyer. You can both watch the package travel to the destination. You don't have to do a single thing. You just sit back and relax. Step 5, getting paid. Let's talk about the fun part, getting paid. So after the buyer accepts the item, and if 3 days pass with no complaints, Poshmark will release your money. You can transfer it to your bank or shop right on the app or the website. Just remember that Poshmark takes 20% commission on items that is $15 plus, or a $2.95 flat fee on anything under $15. So is it worth it? That's totally up to you. I think that's a great spot if you have pieces sitting in your closet collecting dust. I am all about decluttering, and this is an easy way to declutter and make extra cash. There you have it. Now you know exactly what happens when you sell on Poshmark. I hope this makes you feel more comfortable knowing what to expect from this experience. Make sure you grab my free printable and guide to help you throughout this selling journey, and that is linked below. I love to hear from you. Have you sold on Poshmark before, or are you thinking about it? Have any ideas for my next video? Drop a kind comment below, and of course don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey, before you go, thanks for watching, and get more information at cityofcreativedreams.com. See you there.